Hello, this is Mike from America Green Builders. I'm here with Jen in Santa Monica, California, and we renovate the kitchen here behind me, and we also did the floor, and Jen would like to share with us her experience. Go ahead, Jen.
Well, I just am really in love with these countertops and the whole finish and the big counter and everything. The ease of the floor to take care of, everything is just really great. And Mike has been more than patient, and I'm just doing a few finishing things of lining a few cupboards that got missed and this, that, and the other. But in using the kitchen, it's been great. Mike has been great at answering our questions. He's been great. His workmen are polite and very nice folks, and it's just it's been a real work in progress here, and I'm just so glad it's all done and that Mike is here.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Thanks,
The
Mike.
renovation is so much different than what it was before. I mean,
Oh God, yes.
the
Everybody that sees it, they walk around that corner and they say, "Oh my God, yeah, it looks bigger," and it is. You know, I mean, it is.
it's a small kitchen, but we change it and we make it look a little bit bigger than what it was.
Oh yeah. Everybody just comes around that corner and say, "Oh my God, what a difference!" And you move the refrigerator, and yeah, and it's great for cooking. I mean,
Thank
it's
you.
really great for cooking. It's great for making sandwiches. It's great for making breakfast because we have all that counter. And, you know, the girls are in here messing around too. And, "Oh, I want to bake cookies. I want to bake cookies." And I thought, "Oh, we got to get all these things on a agenda because they're excited about it too." So
Thank you so much.
you're very welcome.
I
Thanks,
love you guys.
Michael.
I love you.
I love
Thank you
too,
for watching.
Michael.